For over 30 years, I've advised CIOs and other C-suite clients on manufacturing innovation and business transformation. Now at Rimini Street, I have the opportunity of helping manufacturers globally to develop and support their strategic IT roadmaps. Manufacturers have often shared with me that their enterprise software meets their business needs, but it's too costly to maintain and upgrade for a low return on investment. 90% of IT budgets are spent maintaining current operations, leaving just 10% for innovation and transformation. That's only 10%. That's not nearly enough to stay ahead of the competition. If that rings true for you, I'm here to tell you that you have options. Rimini Street helps clients support and optimize their current enterprise software, extending the life of their system for a minimum of 15 years. You can save up to 90% on total support costs, including reduced annual support fees, streamlined processes, and avoidance of costly, disruptive upgrades. We help mitigate business risk and free up your time, people, and budget to accelerate innovation and business transformation. Over 1,100 manufacturers have already signed with Rimini Street to date. Companies like Standard Foods, NEXEN, and NIBCO trust Rimini Street with mission-critical enterprise support. The head of digital transformation at GRP, a global steel manufacturer and Rimini Street client, said it this way: "With Rimini Street fully supporting our SAP systems, my team can focus 100% on realizing our Industry 4.0 vision. If you're tired of vendor lock-in and are ready to explore other options, let's talk." Rimini Street, we'll get you there.